Good morning, family and friends, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday, February the 24th, and we are heading to RATS Entertainment Park to do a little riding. It is 10:52. We're supposed to be unloading at 11, but it's gonna be a little late. Anyway, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer. It's a little bit of everything going on over here. A lot of four-wheeler riding, teaching, just traveling. You just never know. So if you like those type of things, go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe to the channel, and let's interact, do some comments, let's talk to each other. All right, well, I'll see you guys at RATS. We are currently sitting on the highway. Not sure if y'all can see, but we are in line. It is 11:52, and of course, like I said, we're in line because people have been lined up on the highway for a while. It's first ride, everybody's trying to get in, so we're sitting out waiting. So we're gonna get some footage of the Backwood Riders first ride here at RATS ATV Entertainment Park. I don't know if you guys can see that up the highway, but that's the line coming from the opposite direction. But we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Look at the line behind. People are waiting. You upgraded back there?
Hey, he got it now!
How you doing?
Yeah, I didn't know that. I was coming right back. I'll be alright.
Sweet.
Bitch, you won. I bought Ellie, I take diamonds for my son. Princess cuss when I laugh back at in my chum. 100 million out that rap shit, then I'm done. Hey, I can't wait to smoke up and then make
He got low.
Damn, man.
Damn. However you wanna play, choppers on choppers on choppers. Yeah, I live in the bank, comes on, yeah. Paper route, Frank, hundreds on hundreds on hundreds, yeah.
Transportation, I should say.
Hey, the camera good? Okay. Y'all want what you want to be behind me or what? We're not getting from the front.
was thick mud in little ties. Y'all be a little more comfortable, maybe.
He here now. He taking me back with him.
Okay.
Where we at? Behind the camp? No, I'm talking about behind where we used to camp.
Another
on.
Back, do it one more time.
Hey, and keep your wheel straight.
Other way.
Hey, hold on, other way.
Other way. Yeah, now come on back. Come on back.
Alright.
Hold on, we finna try one more time. We're gonna push it.
Come on. Hold on. You in? Oh, come on. Hey, not that hard. Hold on.
Wait.
Hold
You're
on.
smoking the bed.
Hey, you better put your leg in the bike. Hey, you better put your leg in the bike.
Daddy, that lost truck.
Oh, I gave it to somebody. Hey, you in four? You ain't in four. You should have been in four already.
I had the bag on a while ago.
Good mama had friends, they was scripting, they started hating. How they used to kiss in the club, you think
You should have been already been in four.
I forgot I bagged up.
Look, how they can switch his shit.
Now you been out.
Hey, look my window to that tree right now. What you want?
They might catch up here. You can't back up. Damn dog, you ain't see the dog. He having a time in life. Yeah, he done went in four. He went in 2-inch out like he big or something. You in line? Oh, I see you in line. I see you in line.
I was following y'all the first hole when everybody came out.
That tree, watch that tree. Give him some help. Give him some help.
There you go, you coming out.
Give him a help.
He on the middle of the run too, you good.
Yeah. He wasn't stuck the first time, he would have been in 4-wheel drive. Well, he might
That
still.
was my fault. I had the bag up for Kanye, and I took it out the phone.
Ma, your one job is a 4-wheel drive check. You got to do him like. Keep the wheel straight. Keep the wheel straight. Keep the wheel straight. Come back left. Come on. Keep turning. Come on.
You was going top of him.
Come on. Hey.
Hold up, T, watch that.
Watch that tree.
Hold up. This motherfucker, right?
Hey. Get what he done, bro.
What? 2-wheel drive.
He forgot he wanted 4. The same thing he done about that with punking that night. Yeah, I ended up pulling it back down that way.
Y'all think if y'all go lower it, y'all want to pull it up?
It should. Try it. Oh, yeah.
That's my fault. Shit, rub this bitch real moyo.
Hey, you need to get that shit out your system, bro.
I told Mama she got one job. Make sure he in 4-wheel drive. Yeah. Come on. Give him a little help. He got a 12,000 in the truck.
Y'all see how this shit back there.
Huh?
Y'all see how this shit back there in the bed.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Hey,
He's the dog out. You don't fuck around and make back fight his ass. You keep dumping over like that. What's his name?
Hey, I took it out of 4-wheel drive while ago when I bagged up.
and forgot to put it back.
Forgot to put it back.
What's up?
He most definitely did the goose.
Hey, you got that cup, don't you?
What's up?
That cup. Did I give somebody a cup while he was me?
I lost that motherfucker.
Oh,
All right, get out.
I said I gave it to somebody. Now get out of the way.
I'm most definitely
Nah, I'm talking to him.
Hey, who worked jump out such up? I just jump.
Hey, this is what I want to see. Hey, you in too? Fuck a double click. I like that motherfucker eat, Cody, won't he? Let that motherfucker eat, Cody, won't he? That's all. Yeah. Let that motherfucker. Let that motherfucker. Hey. You earn your stripes today. You earn your goddamn stripes today. Yeah. I like it.
It's about 6:17.
I said I'm fresh about the snow, but I ain't never going back in, no. If down on the shoes, you don't even know. If down on the nigga, you don't even know. Just let me know.
Go ahead.